I've been asked to make a comment on the treatment that I got from Dr. Arauz and his office. And I'm very pleased to do so. Let me smile for you. Before I got here, my bottom teeth, you couldn't see them unless you moved my lips. My dentist recommended me to Dr. Arauz, and from the very first contact I had with his office, they were nothing but professionals. The financial lady helped me numerous times get that squared away. The reception people were just absolutely perfect. They certainly didn't make me feel like it was a burden to do it. They made me feel like they wanted to help me. And as I expected, as we continued on, after a couple of sessions, obviously, they started to do some work. I was fortunate enough to be a candidate to have my entire upper and 6 implants done in one day. Of course, it wasn't the final, but I then left with great instructions from the doctor, great follow-up from the staff. And I spent the entire next day just looking at myself in the mirror. I looked younger. I didn't quite get to feel younger yet. That came later, but I looked younger and I loved it. There was no pain, well, minimal pain, no swelling or black and blue, based on following the instructions that the doctor's staff gave me exactly. So it took me about 9 months, extra delay in there for COVID, but it took me about 9 months before we had the final implants, which, as you can see, they did a pretty nice job. I have the best bite I've ever had in my life. Every single one of my teeth match because when I did the upper implants, they also did my lower dentures. And it is a perfect fit. I chew my food better. I actually mentioned to the doctor that I feel I digest food better because I chew it better and I'm able to chew with my entire mouth as opposed to adjusting for missing teeth. The final result is that my teeth look real. You could not tell these teeth are not real. They're lab sculpted art. Okay, they did it. They were also a very professional and high-tech group. The fellow was often here making sure that everything was perfect. And I sit here today in my last visit after this installation. I believe everything is perfect. And I would recommend Dr. Arauz and his team without reservation in any manner.